have here a screwdriver set, so I'm going to open it up here and I'm going to see what it comes with and how it works. So inside the box with some instructions, a little magnetic pad, and it comes with a nice case with everything inside it. You can see it has tons of bits here, a little screwdriver handle, and different pieces over here that I'll show you in a second. So right here inside the case, there's a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer right here, so you'll never lose it. And also right here is a little magnetic spot, so a little screw bit or something like similar will stick in place, so you're not going to lose it. Right here is a little adapter piece. So it comes with some little pry picks right here, and then some opening picks right here as well, and then a little suction cup right here. So it comes with a flexible shaft and some tweezers right here, and also some long bits right here if you need it longer to get into something that is harder to get to. So here is the screwdriver. It does adjust, which is nice, so it can be long or short depending on what you need. And then the screw bit can go on top. So when you put the bit in, it's magnetic inside, so it'll stay in nicely, and it's easy to pull out and to put in. And there are so many different ones you can pick from. You're going to have everything you need with this little set. So this is really nice. This thing pivots right here, so when I'm holding it, I can just turn it really easy with my hand to get it in and out. So this flexible shaft is really nice. It extends it, and I can even make it longer if I did that piece. And then I can add a little bit right here, and I can get to places that are harder to get to, and I can bend it really easily, just like that. So I got a phone here I'm going to disassemble. Has a nice small bit here, so I can get in these little teeny tiny screws right here, and I can unscrew it really easily with this nice screwdriver. You can see it coming out. And then once I get it out, I can stick it on this nice pad here so I don't lose the screw. So now I'm going to use a little suction cup to help get off the phone top. So there you go. Suction cups helps open it up, so now I can get inside of it, fix it, and then I can close up when I'm done. So now I'm done, so I'm going to put these little screws back in. You can see how it magnetizes to it, which is really nice. So then I can get it in and screw it back in. So now that I'm done, I can close this little case up. Super nice that I can hold everything inside here and have everything that I need when I want to use this little screwdriver set, and it's nice and small case, so I'd recommend it to anyone that needs all the nice little screwdriver set with little small bits to do like electronics or smaller different items like that. It worked really nice and it's super easy to use.